Hi everyone, welcome back to our Channel Careerya Learning Salesforce. Exploring Salesforce architecture, building the foundation for success. Salesforce is much more than a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that provides businesses with the tools they need to manage customer data, streamline processes, and make data-driven decisions. At the heart of Salesforce's success lies its architecture, a well-thought-out structure that empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age. In this article, we'll dive deep into Salesforce architecture, exploring its key components, layers, and the role it plays in shaping the way organizations operate and interact with their customers. The building blocks of Salesforce architecture. Salesforce architecture is often compared to a multi-layer cake, with each layer serving a specific purpose. Let's break down these layers. 1. User interface layer. This is the topmost layer that users interact with. Salesforce's user-friendly and customizable interface provides a seamless experience for users to access and interact with data and applications. From here, users can navigate various features, such as leads, opportunities, and customer support cases. 2. Presentation layer. Beneath the user interface, the presentation layer handles the layout and presentation of data. It ensures that information is presented in a user-friendly and visually appealing manner. This layer is highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor the user experience to their specific needs. 3. Logic layer. The logic layer is where the real magic happens. It includes various components like workflows, automation rules, and validation rules. Businesses can automate processes, define rules, and set up workflows to trigger actions based on specific events, ensuring that data is processed efficiently and accurately. 4. Data layer. At the core of Salesforce architecture is the data layer, which stores and manages all customer-related information. Salesforce's robust database allows businesses to store data about leads, contacts, accounts, and more. The platform ensures data security, integrity, and accessibility, which is critical for making informed decisions. 5. Integration layer. Salesforce's integration layer facilitates the connection between the CRM platform and other applications and systems. Whether it's integrating with email marketing tools, e-commerce platforms, or other software, this layer enables seamless data exchange, ensuring that the CRM is not a siloed system but a part of the larger tech ecosystem. 6. Security and identity layer. Data security is paramount in Salesforce architecture. This layer manages user access and permissions, ensuring that the right people have the right level of access to data and features. It also includes identity management, which allows for single sign-on, SSO, and user authentication. The role of Salesforce architecture in business success. Salesforce architecture is not just a technical framework, it's a strategic advantage for businesses. Here's how it contributes to success. Data-driven decision-making. The data layer captures and stores valuable customer information. Robust reporting and analytics tools allow businesses to derive actionable insights, making informed decisions that drive growth. Efficiency and automation. The logic layer enables businesses to automate repetitive tasks, improving efficiency. This can range from lead nurturing to customer support case routing. Customization. The architecture's flexibility and the presentation layer's customization options mean that businesses can tailor Salesforce to their specific needs, adapting as they grow and evolve. Collaboration. Salesforce fosters collaboration across teams. Sales teams, marketing, and customer support can all work within a shared environment, leading to better customer engagement and alignment. Scalability. As businesses expand, Salesforce's architecture scales with them, accommodating larger data sets and more complex operations. Data security. The security and identity layer ensures that customer data remains confidential and protected. This is crucial for compliance and customer trust. Conclusion. Salesforce architecture is the backbone of one of the world's most successful CRM platforms. It provides a solid foundation for businesses to manage customer interactions, automate processes, and gain insights. By understanding the key layers and components, businesses can harness the full potential of Salesforce, achieving growth and success in the digital age. As Salesforce continues to innovate and expand its offerings, its architecture will remain a vital asset for businesses looking to thrive in an increasingly customer-centric world. Do not forget to hit like, comment, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you and have a great day.